Well, now that key role in the problem of divergence and convergence of Fourier series play the norm of Fourier operator, usually called Lebesgue constant or Fourier constant. In my report, we give some examples of Banach function space for which we can be given good two-sided estimates of Lebesgue constants We need some information from Sirius symmetric and ideal Banach space. Let S of mu be the space of Lebesgue measure function and T of D be characteristic function of D. The Banach space of measurable function x on the T side ideal if from x in X, Q in S of mu, and if the inequality modulo Q of T less or equal modulo of T hold for almost everywhere, then Q in X and the inequality for norms is true. Two functions f and q in S of mu said to be equimeasurable if tire distribution functions is coincide for all lambda in R plus. A Banach ideal space X said to be symmetric if the norm of equimeasurable function are the same. If X ideal Banach space, the associative ideal space X, we defined it. The function belongs to X prime if the norm of G defined by formula is finite. We give some examples of symmetric space. The Lebesgue space LP, Orley space LH, Lorentz and Marcinkiewicz space are symmetric space. You can see the definition of Lorentz and Marcinkiewicz space at the screen. See the first formula on the page. We define difference of f with step tau at the point t, and usually by h omega of x. We denote the space of function in which the norm is given by formula. X is symmetric space. If X the space of P, LH lambda of Psi, M of Psi, we obtain Hilbert space with integral smoothness. We give some examples. Sorry. Some notation. We fix n and we set omega n is number, tau k is point, d of n is Dirichlet kernel, and g of k is interval. We define Lebesgue constant for the Hilbert space omega of x by formula. Formula number 2. The following theorem is mine. Let X be symmetric space and the equality X prime prime equal X is satisfied. Then next inequalities for Lebesgue constant is true. Look at the formula 3 in the page. Here X prime is associative space, GK is interval, omega modulo of continuous, and P over N is number. Next. We give some example. Let P and Lebesgue space LP be given. Then the next inequalities for Lebesgue constant is true. Look at the first formula in the theorem 2.2. Let X is Orlich space and H star is adjoint function, then the next inequality for Lebesgue constant is true. Look at the second formula in the theorem 2.2. Theorem 2.3. If X is Lorentz space, then next inequalities for Lebesgue's constants for Lorentz space is true. Look at this first formula in the theorem. If X is Marcinkiewicz space, then next inequalities for Lebesgue constant is true. Look at the last formula in the theorem 2.3. Next. Let H omega is classical Hölder space. We give the definition of the space of generalized or bounded variation function. Let X by symmetric space of sequence. The function f belongs to the space BV of X if the norm of f defined by formula is finite. Here JK is collection of disjoint intervals and f of G is a difference fbk, fak for gk. We illustrate this definition by same examples. If X is L infinity, then BV of L infinity is sum of the space continuous function. If X is Orlich space, then BV of Orlich space is the space of function of bounded H variation in the signs of Wiener-Young. If X in Lorentz space, then space of function on generalized bounded variation in signs Waterman. If X Marcinkiewicz space, then V of M of psi is the space of function bounded variation introduced by Centuria, etc.
что это объект? Это просто есть идентификатор?
Орт. Орт.
Орт.
Second space.
Орт.
Second space.
Орт с номером К, да?
Yes.
Не, ну хорошо.
The number, the O. We define Lebesgue. Next. We define Lebesgue constant by formula. You can see formula number 2. The next theorem is mine, theorem 3.1. Let X the symmetric space by sequence. Then for Lebesgue constant, next inequalities hold. Look at the formula 3 on the page.
Можно вопрос? Вот раньше писалось, что это LN, ну как, ведет себя как? Так это вот то же самое, что здесь написано?
Yes. L, W, N, S.
Остальное понятно, просто другое сейчас обозначение. Спасибо.
Next. Fixed symmetric space. We denote by Bessel space where alpha x q of t is the space of function. Choose norm is given by next inequality. If x LP, then our definition is a definition of classical Banach space. We define the Lebesgue constant for the Bessel space by formula, and the next theorem is mine. We fix symmetric space, then for Lebesgue constant, the next inequalities is true. Look at formula number 3 on the page. Next. Next. Some examples. If x equals LP, Lebesgue space, then the next inequalities for Lebesgue constant for classical Bessel space is true. First formula in the theorem 4.3. If x equal Orlich space H star is adjoint function, then next inequality for Lebesgue constant is true. Second formula in the theorem 4.3. Theorem 4.4. Let is equal lambda outside and Lorentz space. Then next inequality for Lebesgue constant for Bessel space constructed on the by the Lorentz space. The first formula in this theorem. If X is Marcinkiewicz space, then next inequalities for Lebesgue constant for Bessel space constructed about Marcinkiewicz space here. Next. The Lebesgue constant for Morley space. The definition. Let P, Q, and lambda be given. We define local Morley space M lambda P Q as the Z of all Lebesgue measure lambda function of for which following norm or quasi-norm is finite. Formula number 2. Here Bt of x is segment with center at point and length t. Sub of x in interval. Next. We fix x in interval 0, 1. Local measured space at the point x consists of function for which the norm or quasi-norm is finite. First formula on the page. We define Lebesgue constant for space for local space, local Morley space, and for global Morley space by the formulas. Formulas number 4 and formula number 5. Next. Theorem 5.1. Let P, Q, and lambda be given. Let x equal 0. Then, for Lebesgue constant, the next inequalities is true. The formula number 6 and theorem 5.2. Let P, Q, lambda be given. And then next inequalities for the Lebesgue constant is true. Remark. We note that the Lebesgue constant for Morley space, local Morley space, local Morley space and global Morley space do not depend on the parameter Q. Next. This report based on the following work. Next.